If the customer just wants us to just repair a certain thing without addressing other issues that may be hazardous, then that's when I'm like, hey, sorry, I can't. They have like a gas leak, but they don't want me to address that. They want me to address something else. I'm like, sorry, I can't. You mean I can't run the system safely without addressing the gas leak issue? But for the most part, like all that stuff is repairable. I can fix anything and everything. It's just up to the customer what they want to get done on their priority list or what their financial situation may be. But there's a lot of times to where we do recommend a few repairs. We can categorize them, put them in priority of what should be done first, and we can do those one at a time as long as the system is still safe to operate.